In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and click on More Connections right away. Then select Printing and tap on Default Print Service over here. Last but not least, click on the switcher next to Default Print Service to switch it on and wait for your device to connect. Additionally, if your default print service is enabled, you can click on those four dots at the top right corner. And in case if you are struggling to connect, tap on Add Printer pop-up and select this plus at the top right corner to add it manually by typing in hostname or IP address. Then hit Add in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!